For 600 years, the most valuable item in the Mediterranean was not gold. It was not silk. It was not spices. It was a plant. It grew in exactly one place on Earth, a narrow strip of coast in what is now Libya. The Romans put it on everything. They weighed it against silver. They stamped it on their coins. Julius Caesar kept over 1,000 pounds locked in the state treasury. It was a seasoning, a medicine, and a contraceptive. They called it silphium. Today, it does not exist. We did not lose the recipe. We ate it into extinction. Silphium refused domestication. It would not grow outside its native soil. It would not tolerate farming. The plant produced a resin, aromatic, pungent, potent. It treated illness. It flavored food. It controlled fertility. And no one could make more. Rome wanted silphium. Demand spread across the empire. The price climbed. Harvest intensified. The land where it grew was barely 30 miles wide. Sheep grazed there too. Grazing destroyed seedlings. Harvesting tore out roots. The kings of Cyrene tried to regulate it. It did not matter. Rome did not reward restraint. It rewarded delivery. The ecosystem could not absorb extraction at imperial scale. By the 1st century AD, silphium was almost gone. Pliny the Elder recorded what amounted to an obituary. Within living memory, only one stalk had been found. 1. That stalk was cut, sent to the Emperor Nero. He probably ate it. After that, silence. Coins still bore silphium's image long after the plant vanished, a currency commemorating its own destruction. The Romans understood exactly what was happening. They knew why. They simply could not stop. The incentive to sell the last stalk was always higher than the incentive to preserve the species. We lost a flavor we will never taste, a medicine we can never test, a species we can never study. All that remains are coins, evidence of value without the thing that made it valuable. Some botanists believe silphium might still exist, hidden in a ravine. Clinging to a slope in Libya, no one has found it. For 2,000 years, the world has searched for the taste of Rome. But the taste of Rome was never silphium, it was appetite. And appetite does not stop until the plate is empty.